Hi everyone, in this video I am designing a My Document screen for a mobile application. At the top I have added the page title My Document along with a search icon for quickly finding information. First, we have the personal information section. Here, the user can see details like name, date of birth, email, phone number, date of joining, and address. I've also added an edit icon so the information can be updated easily. Next is the document information section. This contains important details such as account name, account number, account type, IFSC code, Aadhaar number, and PAN number. After that, we have the account information section. Here, the user can see their username and password. The password is hidden for security with an eye icon to show or hide it. Finally, we have the document section. Here, I've added the user's Aadhaar card, PAN card, and profile image. I've kept the overall design simple, clean, and organized so users can quickly find the information they need. If you like this voiceover, tell me in the comment section. Also, let me know how I can improve my videos and voiceover for the next one. Thanks for watching.